is a small bamboo bridge. This was shaking a lot while we were going across it, so you have to be careful while walking on it. You have to maintain your balance and then go step by step. This is the next bridge. Here also you have to be careful because people are there. They are working on some other bridges and they are doing some construction work there. So you have to be really careful. Hold the things properly on the side and then go. This is one more bridge where she is walking. This is fairly an easy one, so you can go easily and quicker as well on this bridge, as this bridge has a bit more strength than the others. So you will see how deep it is from here. This is the bridge. If you see straight, you cannot see the further path here. So it's really scary while you walk towards it because you cannot see. And here is the cliff. If you see down, it's just straight down. If you fall down, you're gone. So you have to be really careful and trust yourself and the bamboo. This is the beautiful mountains. That's the river. And that's the peak number 2 over there. You have to go on the bamboos and then climb up there. Another bamboo bridge. You always have to be careful. Some parts of it shake and some parts of it don't shake that much.
So Sayok, how was the trek?
Here she is asking me how was the trek. I was a bit scared while coming here because the bamboo bridge was shaking, literally shaking like a swing a little bit. You cannot see it from this far, but it was shaking. This is another steep incline which you have to climb. You need to be fit. Your lower body needs to be quite good to climb this.
I'll send you the link in a bit. देखो वापस
This is by far the most dangerous part because you have to climb this, and this is very almost 80-85 degrees incline as you go ahead, and then you have to start climbing it. So it's very dangerous, and on both the sides you can fall down. Although the bamboo helps you climb up, but if you look on both the sides, it's a bit scary. So you have to really be careful and hold your nerves together.
Start.
जब मैंने यहाँ से चलना शुरू किया तो फट तो रही थी, लेकिन बट कैसे तो मैंने स्टेप बाय स्टेप ये कर लिया. तो मुश्किल था, लेकिन वो कर लिया तो यू फील रियली गुड. सो कोई भी चीज़ है, कोई डिफ़िकल्ट लगती है तो पहला स्टेप लो और फिर दूसरा और फिर तीसरा, तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप पहुंच ही जाओगे जहाँ पहुंचना है वहाँ पर. वो मैं खड़ा हूँ दूर उसके ऊपर, ब्रिज के ऊपर, वहाँ से नीचे उतर रहा हूँ. तो ऐसे बैक पीछे लीन करके आराम से उतरना होता है ताकि इजी हो, वरना मुश्किल होता है. ये और एक स्टीप वे ब्रिज है जहाँ पर नीचे उतरना है. तो यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा प्यार से उतरना पड़ता है. इफ़ यू फॉल तो मुंह पे गिर सकते. तो बहुत ही मज़ा आया था हम लोग को ट्रैक पे. तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट गाइस. एनी कमेंट मीन्स अ लॉट. एंड लाइक एंड शेयर एंड बी हेल्दी. टेक केयर गाइस.